We're making an Easter-inspired Korean vegan Gochujang-Roasted Tofu Bibimbap tray bake. It serves 4 and takes about 45 minutes. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 14 ounces of firm tofu, pressed and cut into cubes. This will roast up crisp at the edges. 2 tablespoons of gochujang, Korean chili paste, for deep heat and umami. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for salty depth. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup for balance. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil for nutty aroma. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar to brighten the sauce. 3 cloves of garlic, minced, for punchy flavor. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger for warmth. 2 cups of sliced mushrooms, about 8 ounces, for meaty texture. 2 medium carrots, sliced into ribbons or thin sticks, for color and crunch. 1 bunch of asparagus, about 7 ounces, trimmed and cut into thirds. 1 small zucchini, sliced into half moons. 3 cups of cooked, short grain rice, kept warm for serving. 1 cup of vegan kimchi, chopped, for zing. 2 scallions, thinly sliced for freshness. 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds for crunch. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 Celsius, and line a large sheet pan with parchment paper. Pat the 14 ounces of firm tofu dry, then cut it into 1-inch cubes. In a bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons gochujang, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Add the tofu cubes to the bowl and toss with half of the marinade, reserving the rest. Coat evenly and let it stand for 10 minutes. Prep the veggies. Slice 2 cups of mushrooms. Cut 2 carrots into ribbons or thin sticks. Trim and cut 1 bunch of asparagus into thirds, and slice 1 small zucchini into half moons. In the same bowl, toss the mushrooms, carrots, asparagus, and zucchini with the remaining marinade until lightly coated. Arrange the marinated tofu on one side of the sheet pan and spread the vegetables on the other in a single layer. Bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius. At 10 minutes, flip the tofu and stir the vegetables, then continue baking. While it bakes, warm 3 cups of cooked short grain rice and set out 4 serving bowls. Chop 1 cup of vegan kimchi and thinly slice 2 scallions. Keep them ready for topping. Switch the oven to broil and broil for 2 to 3 minutes to lightly caramelize the edges. Watch closely. Remove the tray and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds over the tofu and vegetables, then toss gently on the pan. Divide the warm rice among the 4 bowls. Top each bowl with equal portions of the roasted tofu and vegetables. Spoon the chopped vegan kimchi onto each bowl. Finish with the sliced scallions and drizzle any pan juices over the bowls. For an Easter touch, arrange the carrot ribbons into a little nest on top and place the kimchi in the center. Serve right away. Mix everything at the table and enjoy the heat and textures. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Loved it? Tap like, subscribe for more easy Korean vegan recipes, and hit the bell so you never miss a video.